talking about? Well, your best bet to be shut the up. Okay. You ain't doing nothing, making it worse for him.
Right. For me.
What happened?
This car for me.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Don't resist me. Put your hands behind your back.
Resisting
Face
you.
the car and put your hands behind your back.
June 7th, 2024, deputies stopped a vehicle for multiple traffic violations. But before the stop was over, an angry family member showed up and began shouting at officers from across the street. What should have been a routine investigation quickly turned into a chaotic confrontation.
All the way. Hello, Deputy Dorsey. Saw this. It's because you're a window tint and violation of traffic control device. Okay. You saw the white lines. You're not supposed to cross them. You cross this one right here, and you just cross the one getting off the highway back there. All right. Any weapons in the vehicle at all? No. Do you have your license, registration, insurance on you?
I don't have a license.
Do you have a license?
Yes, sir.
Valid?
Yes, sir.
You have a picture of it?
No, sir.
All right. What's your first name?
Corey Moore.
What is it?
Corey Moore.
How do you spell your first name?
C-O-R-E-Y.
Last name?
M-O-O-R-E.
M-O-O-R-E?
Yes, sir. I preach in the glove bar.
Yeah. Do you have a middle name?
R.
Date of birth?
02-01-96. This this the registration. That's a new tag on that.
Yeah, you have registration for the tag?
Yeah.
Where's that at?
Right here.
Doesn't look like registration.
Well, no, this is for tag new. Vehicle registration.
Yeah.
So how you get from the other lane and come? Because I see you going down 95 going that way, you bust a U-turn.
I'm sorry?
I see you going on 95 going that way.
Yeah, I was headed this way.
But what made you pull me over just because I got...
I already explained the reason for the stop.
But I'm saying, if I had on my turning signal and all that, I'm not able to turn over?
Did I say I pulled you over for a turn signal, or did I say I pulled you over for your tint and traffic control device?
That's it.
Yep, and traffic control device.
Traffic control device.
Huh?
But the tension only grew once deputies began removing the occupants from the car.
Have it out for me. No weapons on you, right?
There's one of them I got.
You're good. Sign out.
Huh?
Come out.
Search me for what?
This car here. Don't pull away from me again. I'm pushing handcuffs. You have a medical marijuana card? No. 212. Stand forward, stand by. Are you wearing a pair of shorts under this?
No,
Alright, step back from the vehicle for a second. Spread your feet apart. Alright, step right in. No weapons, right? No weapons, right? I'm asking you a question. No weapons, right?
You asked me that, bro.
I'm gonna ask you again.
You know I ain't got no weapons, bro.
Alright, then answer the question. Stand right here and face the car.
Alright.
I'm gonna ask you again. Spread your feet apart.
Hey, you touching my balls, bro.
Spread your feet apart all the way. Spread your feet all the way.
I report you for that, bro. I'm gonna report you for sexual harassment, bro. I don't know what you're touching on.
Conducting a probable cause search for your order of marijuana. Do you have medical marijuana card?
Don't be fine. What you looking for?
ain't shit in there.
Wasting my fucking time.
Ain't a motherfucking
You don't have to be here. You're not detained. So I'm not wasting your time. Not yours. You're free to go, sir.
Back up there and went even farther from my nuts all the way up my ass crack. After I told him he touched my nuts. Let's look at it. I ain't even from Flagler. I ain't even from here. Why you in there? Just write your shit down for me. So I don't gotta keep asking you, bro, because I want your shit. They asked, why did you search him like that instead of doing it how you was supposed to? What's your reason gonna be? Oh, cause y'all found drugs and people nuts. That ain't nobody problem. When you patting somebody and you able to feel that, that's when you do that. And you're not even supposed to do that. What you do is you call another officer to take me in the car and you search me inside my underwear. That's what.
No, you don't.
Yeah, that's what.
Not on the side of the road, you don't. So you clearly don't know what you're talking about.
How? Why? Well, why happened before? Well, I was violated.
Where were you at then?
I was violated too, right?
Where were you at?
I was violated.
Where were you at?
I was violated then. That's
Where
what
were you
telling
at?
me. So they violated me on the side of the road too.
Where were you at?
All right, bet.
So you can't even answer that question.
I don't have to tell you where I was at.
Okay.
We talking about right now, ain't it? We talking
Did
right
anybody
now.
put their hands in your pants right now?
We're not talking about last time. We're not talking about that. I'm talking about right now.
So what you're saying is not relevant.
Yeah, it don't have to be relative. Guess what? This is your stop. Then you say that you
Not
ain't
my
searching.
stop.
So why the f you ain't talking to me about it anyway? Why you
You're the
responding
one
like?
that just brought it up, man.
Why you responding so smart?
Because you're the one that just brought it up. Apparently you know everything.
Yeah, I know how to get you to say stupid ass shit to help me understand what's really going on. You talking about it? Well, your best bet to be to shut the f up. Okay. But you ain't doing nothing but making it worse for him.
Right. And you just keep running your mouth. It's just making it worse for you.
I'm not aggressive with you. I'm not
aggressive with you either.
What the fuck you gonna arrest me for? What are you gonna arrest me for?
Regular. Ain't nobody
What are you gonna arrest me
whispering.
for? So how am I making it worse?
I said I'm just trying to
How am
talk
I making it worse for
clearly.
me?
See, you ain't even listening.
How am I making it worse for me?
Well, search this bitch.
May I help you? Ain't nothing over here for you, boss. What's up? This ain't your traffic stop. So what you looking for? What you looking for? Some weed? That what you looking for? You looking for some pistols? That what you looking for? You gonna find shit in this bitch work vehicle. The f y'all with us for? You better go find something else better do with your time. Yeah, you. Make sure you looking when you're talking to me. Look at me with like an eye. Look at me like a man. Nigga, look through my eyes. You close to my car for? Excuse me, sir. I'm gonna get in my car and go. Can you back up?
You're leaving?
Yes, sir. I'm leaving. Can you back the f up? I need some more space. Back up. I don't want to touch you. I don't want to get too close to you.
This is a perfect distance.
Ain't shit over here for you. Looking for? Y'all kids, boy, y'all bitches is something else, boy. Dumbass nigga. You ain't gonna find this shit, bitch. Stop wasting your fucking time. What you looking for, man?
Listen.
It ain't no listen. You ain't got shit
Listen to
say.
me.
I'm not gonna listen to you. You don't have shit to say to me. Get back over there with your tractor stuff. That's what you can do.
This car for me.
What happened?
Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Don't resist me. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
not resisting
Face
you.
the car and put your hands behind your back. Stop. If anything on you I didn't find. If you do want to make an inability to be felony charge.
Nothing on me.
Alright. I'm not gonna take your car. I'm gonna make it.
Hey,
You want to sell the car?
can I get my fucking? Man,
Okay,
you ain't gotta keep pulling me like that.
Man, I'm
Stop
walking.
pulling away.
I'm walking. I'm not pulling away.
Stop pulling
I'm
away.
just walking. Bro,
You're not gonna pull from my grass. You understand?
Bro,
Step back. Step back. Do it now.
Bro, my fucking leg.
Walk. You were walking fine. Walk.
Why is he talking? Why is
Bro, I got a bro.
Step into the car.
Permit, man. Damn. Work with me, shit. I ain't gave you no goddamn ticket.
Watch yourself. You better watch your brother.
His windshield shattered.
He has no insurance on that car.
What?
Now, where's your phone and your wallet? Okay. What's your mic?
For what? You! Stop!
This one, right? Stay over in the front of my car. Go to the front of my car and don't move in that position.
Make sure you give me your shit.
I will. Stay in the front of the car.
Whole ass nigga with some fucking badges.
Hey, stand over here.
You don't have to. Bitch ass nigga.
He just told them 2 seconds ago. He told them.
You don't have to be aggressive. You can say calm voice.
They gon' hear what the
Hope all everybody's shit right.
that ain't shit.
I don't understand y'all in my nuts. I don't give a fuck. Nothing. Y'all ass gotta follow the law. Y'all ass ain't gotta, you ain't about to know what nobody got going on and da-da-da. You gonna treat everybody the same way. Y'all gonna reset y'all traffic stops every time. You ain't gonna search me off of the last search. What you talking about? I don't wanna hear that shit.
Bitch ass niggas that sit down when they pick. Fuck taking that man to jail for what? What? That was been like 3 years. You can fuck him. I don't want to talk to him. That might do something saying that. So it's best for me to stay where the fuck I'm at.
What I want to know is why if he's supposed to pat search me down the side of my leg, on the inside of my leg, around my waistband, why is he in the crevices of my ass crack and in my privacy area, sir? I want to know why is that okay? And how is that?
Get over here.
He just told me to talk to him.
I don't care what he told you to do.
I'm telling you to get over here.
Hey, they trying to find a reason.
Don't be pushing nobody like that.
They trying to find a reason.
I'm not going.
I told both of you guys twice. You guys moved your position again. Back this way. You're going to your first
He just told me
I'm
to
telling you that right now.
Just shut up.
I didn't move and do nothing.
I'm gonna stay right here, pussy ass nigga. What you mad for? You mad for? Y'all think y'all got a bad nigga bad. Bitch, you ain't bad, man. You ain't bad. What the f***? You ain't bad. What you mean? Bitch ass nigga.
That's what he told you to do.
I do what the board told me to do. I follow.
You can go to jail if you don't want to listen to us.
I talk to the Lord, bro. I talk to the Lord. I follow the Lord.
Come on, bro. Stop that shit, bro.
All you is.
Stop that shit, bro. Like, obviously nobody give a f*** about going to jail for $1,000, bro. Stop that shit. It's resisting arrest. What else you gonna get? You're not gonna get shit out. That's what you wanna do, man. Do what you do. Do what you're supposed to do to get that. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody out here doing that, but y'all ain't answer my question of why the f*** in the crevices of my ass crack and in my nuts when he supposed to go the inside of my legs and the outside of my legs and around my waistband. I don't understand that shit. Ain't nobody telling me why the f*** he did that and how is that.
It's a common area to hide
It's
guns.
not the common.
It is
It
common.
doesn't matter if it's the common area. He's supposed to search me how he searched me, and if he feels something, then that's when he go to the extra mile to get me searched that way. He did that before he did anything. And I spread my legs and told him he touched my nuts the first time. He went back and did it again. So that means he knowingly touched my nuts and my ass crack. I don't want to hear nothing about what you're talking about.
Ain't no blessed day. Going ahead. Cause you know you ain't right. Thank you. I am. Don't rush.
Oh, you're standing
I'm fixing the seat.
Why not do the right thing?
I want to talk to him. Give me his car.
Get in the vehicle
Give me his
and
car.
drive
I want
away.
his car.
Get in
If
the
I have
vehicle
your car,
and
I
drive
want his
away.
identification. I want all y'all identification because I'm going to battle report.
He has his card.
That's them. I need it for my possession. Can I get one of each? Can I ask politely, can I get one of each from all you guys? You have no right but to give it to me. Give me your shit. Give me your shit. You give me your shit, and you give me your shit. I know my rights. When I get in my car, I'm pulling off. Give me your shit.
Have a seat in the car and I will give it to you. That is your last option. Get in the car and I will give you everybody's name and ID number, or you can go to jail for obstruction because you are now impeding everything else
Obstruction
around.
your shit over with. You
Okay,
got a man
sit down and I will get it for
I'm
you.
smoking, you can't smoke in the man car.
Then put it out.
I'm not. You got me stressed. For what? For what? What you talking at me for what? It's a freedom of speech. I can talk. What's wrong with you? Y'all ain't nothing but some whole ass niggas, bro. Trying to tell a grown man what the to do. How that sound, man? I ain't no last boy. I ask for shit and it's legal.
No, you guys can read each other's cards.
Fuck, make sure all y'all names on it. Okay? Shit. Acting like I'm breaking the law. Bitch, I ask you a question. Man, shut up. Keep going, man. Don't talk to me, man.
Man, you know, you the out of all y'all out here right now. Why
No,
you standing
you
there
the
like
biggest.
your tough,
The
bro?
one that's driving the biggest.
That's crazy.
My shit, man.
That's crazy.
All that shit was a bad.
Please drive safe where you
Shut up. Go suck his dick on great. Faggot ass, whole ass nigga.
Don't forget to buckle up safety.
If I ain't buckle up, don't give me a ticket, nigga.
Just ask for it.
By the end of the encounter, Corey Moore was arrested for driving with a suspended license and resisting an officer without violence. Meanwhile, Dante Moore's constant interference, refusal to follow commands, and repeated attempts to disrupt the investigation led to a charge of resisting an officer without violence being forwarded for prosecution. What began as a simple traffic stop turned into a family-made disaster that only got worse the longer it went on. If you enjoy videos like this, like, subscribe, and check out the next story.